Hi, and welcome to a new WordPress video, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a custom service disruption message to display on the front end of your website. And to create this we'll be using a plugin called Advanced Custom Fields Pro and the field type true/false. We will create this by creating an options page within the WordPress dashboard and create a toggle of on and off with an option to add your own custom message. Rather than me waffling on, I will show you an example of what I've created and which I'll be showing you how to create. So if I go to my website, which is just my local dev environment with the default WordPress theme, and go to the dashboard, we'll be creating this service disruption options page down here. And on this page, we're going to have a activate service disruption message. So once we click on, we can add our custom message here and click update. Once we view the front end of our website and refresh the page, our new message will show here to let website visitors know that there's some sort of issue going on with either your website or your business. And once you no longer have the issue, you can just go back into your WordPress dashboard and turn the toggle of activate service disruption off. Then click update. And once you go back onto the front end, that message will disappear. So let's go ahead and get started, and I'll show you how to create this functionality within WordPress. So to start off with, we need to add our options page into this left hand menu called service disruption. And to do that, open up the website in your code editor, navigate to the root of your theme folder. So mine's in WP content themes, and as I'm using the default theme, it will be in 2020. Then open up the functions.php file, and in here we're going to add our options page function, and the code for this is in the description below. I'm just going to paste this in here because I've already created it. So what this does is it adds a new menu item for service disruption. So if we save that and then go back into your WordPress dashboard and refresh, this new menu item will appear here. You currently have no field groups connected with this options page. So if we click here, create a custom field group and call it service disruption, and we're going to add a new field, and this one is going to be our true or false field, and we're going to call it activate service disruption, and this is going to be our toggle to toggle on and off the website message. And if we scroll down here, we're going to use the stylized UI, and the on text is yes and off text is no. We're going to leave that as default, and we're going to add a new field, and this one's going to be a Wysiwyg Editor, and this is where we're going to add in our custom message, and we're going to call this one custom disruption message. And if we scroll down, and we want this to only appear if our activate service disruption is set to yes. So under conditional logic, choose yes and show this field if the active service disruption value is equal to checked. Then all you got to do is click publish. So now we have our toggle to activate the service disruption message and the Wysiwyg editor to enter your message in. We want these two to show on this options page. So show this field group if options page is equal to service disruption, and click update. So if we go to our service disruption now, it has our new custom fields in this options page, and we want to activate the new message, and we add our message in this box here. But if we click update, then view the front end of the website and refresh it, the message won't appear because we need to add in the code to the header.php file, and we need to add some style to it as well. So the code we need to add to our header is on the Advanced Custom Fields website under field types true or false, and the code we're going to use is under template usage conditional, and it's this one here. So if you go to your website, and in the same folder the functions.php file was, open up header.php, and we're going to add the message just underneath the header. So find the closing tag for your header, and this code again is also in the description below, and I'm going to paste it in there. And what this basically does is if the activate service disruption is set to true, it will display this div, and inside this div is getting the field of the custom disruption message. So if I save that and go back to the website and refresh, It's showing our custom message now, but it just has no styling. So we need to go back into our website, and in that same root of the folder, click style.css. And again, this code is also in the description below. Paste this CSS code in for our disruption message. Click save and go back to the website, and now refresh it again. And there we have our custom service disruption message shown on the website. And once that issue or whatever problem you have going on is fixed or resolved, just go back into the WordPress dashboard and turn activate service disruption to no, which disables it. Then click update and go back to your website and refresh, and the website message is gone. So that's how you create a custom service disruption message in WordPress using advanced custom fields, true or false field type. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, click that like button. And if you want to see more WordPress tutorials, feel free to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video.